Hi there, my name is Olivia, and today I will show you how to pay invoices in the client portal in CoachVantage. When your coach has sent you an invoice, you will receive an email notification. To pay invoices on the client portal, from your dashboard, click My Coach on the left menu. Then click on the Invoices tab. On this page, you will see your past and present invoices. Here, it's easy for you to keep track of the invoice number, invoice date, invoice due date, amount, and status. In this example, we are in Ian Lee's client portal, who is a fake client for demonstration purposes. Here, we can see that Ian has paid these two invoices, yet this invoice's status is pending. So I will click this invoice number to make a payment for this invoice. When you click on an invoice, you will then be brought to this screen where you will see the invoice details. Here, you can choose which method of payment you would like to use by either clicking on Pay by Credit Card or Pay by PayPal. Please note that the payment buttons on the invoice are displayed depending on the payment methods that are enabled by your coach. You may see only one option and not both. Once you select on your desired payment method, you will be redirected to the checkout page where you can enter your payment details to effect the payment. Once you've filled out your payment information, simply click Pay to continue. You also have the option to save your information for a faster checkout by selecting this box here. Wonderful! You have now successfully paid this invoice, and you can see at the top that this invoice is now marked Paid. Now, when we go back to your list of invoices here, you can see that this most recent invoice has successfully been paid. Thank you for watching this video on how to pay invoices in the client portal in CoachVantage. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Have a marvelous week ahead.